Hi guys, this is Farai. Welcome back to my channel if you've been watching. If not, please subscribe so that you can see more content and what I post, what I do here on YouTube. So basically today I'm doing a video of unboxing a Yoeleo wheel. I received a 50mm depth of a wheel, carbon wheel of course. So let's see what we have here. This is the box that it comes in. So basically let's first look at the scratches, if any. Obviously this was caused by shipping. You can see that few scratches here and there, but I don't think it's not that deep anyway. You can see for yourself. Okay, if I can take it closer. Protector. This is why we're here. Let's see what it comes with. Obviously we've got the skewer, 2 spokes, brakes, and a valve extender. Yoeleo is UCI approved. And now let's forget about the talking and let's stare at this guy. Something is in there. Okay, so let's see. This is what I'll have to do when I get my wheels. Pit is not a back wheel, so you only have that sound. Smooth. Okay, so basically talking about the wheel, obviously the spokes, Novatec hubs. So this is the A291 SB SL. Look at that. Look at that. One thing that I like about Yoeleo Wheels is the SAT technology. Look at that. What do you see? No holes. No holes at all. The only hole that we have is the one that we use for our valve. So I ride tubeless. There's no need for you to put tape or anything. Whether you're riding tubular, tubeless, it's all the same. So guys, this is the Yoeleo wheels. I'm happy to have received this. I'm gonna be using this for the World Champs coming up in 2 weeks time, and I'm happy that I received this order on time. So Yoeleo, thank you so much. I'll continue supporting you. And guys, if ever you're looking for wheels, strong, rigid, looking to set PBs, this is the wheel to go for. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you so much.